Hello, I'm Ian from Emotion Systems. A customer sent me this specification and asked how we would implement this in Engine and which engine features we would need to do this. So firstly, looking at the features required. Obviously this uses our loudness module. It also uses LRA correction. LRA correction is standard in Engine. We also have a slightly different requirement for short form and long form content, and this would need our conditional workflow feature. Right, let's get started. So firstly, we're going to create the two separate workflows. Now for this example, I'm going to assume that all of the content is 2 channels. So what we have to do is to create a workflow for the short form content and a workflow for the long form content, and then put them together in a conditional workflow. So we'll start by creating the short form content. So the requirement for the short form is program loudness of -23 with short-term loudness not exceeding -20 and true peaks not exceeding -3. So those are the measurements there. So we're going to correct all of those, and I'm going to use our automatic tone detection to prevent bars and tone at the starts of files affecting anything. Right, so for our stereo files, we do our correction to that specification. Finish off the workflow. Now we're going to create a long form equivalent. So again, the 2-channel file. So for the long form loudness requirement, again we're using R128. This time we're not measuring short-term loudness, so we'll disable those, but we are measuring program loudness, and that's to a maximum of 20. So we're going to correct the program loudness and the true peak, and also correct the loudness range. So we'll save that, add that into our workflow, and complete that workflow. Finally, we create the conditional aspect. So we click on the conditional tab, add an appropriate name. So what we do here is we say for 2-channel files, I need my advanced condition because we're going to do a duration-based test. Make the window a little bit bigger. Select duration. So as something fairly typical for short and long form, I'm going to say 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So what I'm going to say here is if the duration is less than 2 minutes and 30 seconds, use my short form workflow, else use the long form workflow. Oh, I hope that makes sense, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.